Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use best friend poses on Snapchat, and here's how it is done. The first thing you want to do is open your Snapchat application. From here, tap on your Bitmoji icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now simply tap to create a bio for my AI, which has the gold border. This is the Snapchat Plus, a premium. This is the Snapchat Plus, a premium feature for Snapchat users. From here, you can use the best friend poses feature. In my case, I haven't availed this feature, but if you have, you can use the best friend poses. As you can see, when we tap on best friends, you can select who your best friends are from your friends list. To use the best friend poses, you can simply post your Bitmoji and your best friend's Bitmoji and share them with other friends. And that is everything you need to know about how to use best friend poses on Snapchat. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.